right, here we are back in Sauceman's garage with a 2008 Jeep Compass, and we have a broken windshield wiper, windshield nozzle. So the windshield cleaner fluid, the nozzle's broken, and we have a replacement here. It's a Dorman, part number 58149. So today we're going to fix this broken nozzle that's snapped off. Okay, so replacement. See the replacement piece? Pretty OEM. It's got these two tabs that clip onto the hood, front and back. So we're just going to get a pair of long needle nose pliers, squeeze those and pop it out. So here we go. That just broke into 100 pieces. All right, it's out. So that didn't take much. The old one was so brittle, literally didn't even need to move it too much and it shattered. So, all right, first things first, push it through the hood and then we'll make the connection. Here we go. Just literally just snaps into place. And we'll nice and easily push that on. And there we go. A fully repaired windshield nozzle. But if you look at the two nozzles, they're pretty much identical. You can see one's got a little bit more fading from the sun, but there we go. That's how you replace a windshield spray nozzle. Easy enough. Order the part and plug it in. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, or subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you soon.